How to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can save pictures on Snapchat without notifying the user. Now as you know, due to Snapchat security and privacy reasons, if you save any pictures to your chat, to your gallery, or if you take a screenshot or screen record the chat, the user will be notified that you have done so. However, to avoid it, what you can do is use the second device or use a second phone and then take a picture from there and screen record or screenshot or take a quick picture. This is the quickest way. If you don't have a second device, what you can do is if you open up Snapchat app and head into your chat. Now, as you know, I'm already screen recording to make this video. If you don't have a screen recorder on your device, you can simply head into your app store or play store and download the screen recording app and then start screen recording and open up the chat and then head into the snap and open up the snap that you want to view. And once you open it, what you can do is, since it's recorded on a screen, you can head into your gallery and through the recording you can screenshot and you can save it as a picture. So this way you can save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.